Alright guys, welcome back to Wood Raven Outdoors. Back out on the river again. I'm fishing the same flat in the first video that we were out on, and it is early morning. Last time I was out here mid-afternoon, so things might change a little bit. I did move a little bit shallower in on the reef, knowing that it is morning. Hopefully those fish will be up feeding shallow and kind of move their way through and then hit this bench where I'm right on 25 foot. About 10 feet that way and about 22 right here. So yeah, I'm gonna get after it, throw some jigging wraps down like I did the other day. Same exact setup I will be using. Again, the power braid, 6-pound leader, and then the medium light rods. So the only difference is I did set a dead stick today. Knowing that I got those perch the other day, I actually just put a perch rig on there. One that I made myself, a little bit lighter line. Of course I like the lighter line, but yeah, we're gonna get after it. There's one, not sure what it is. Baby walleye. All right, actually picked that up on a buckshot. Take that. Perch number 2, not a bad one. Ouch. Not a bad perch. That's number 2. Bucket. I'll eat them. I'll eat them. No giant perch yet, but got a couple in the bucket. I'm surprised I'm not, I caught one on a dead stick earlier, didn't get that on camera, but I'm surprised I'm not getting more, to be honest with you, on the dead stick. There's one. Small fish, whatever it is. Another tiny little walleye. Back in your hole, sir. Here's another one. Another small fish, whatever it is. Another baby. Well, we got the babies this morning. There's one. Got one. And it's a baby walleye. Boy, did he get that too. Not what I'm looking for. Alright guys, well, I'm about an hour in, and I'm getting a lot of short strikes and just not really having a whole lot of hard hits. So what I did was I took one of my buckshot spoons, you can see that there, and I just tied a little piece of number 6 mono on there with a couple beads and a red hook, and I'm trying to actually get the perch. That's what I'm trying for. I'm thinking that a lot of the little strikes are perch, but so far I've only caught 2 perch today, and so I'm just trying tactics up. You got to keep changing, got to keep seeing what you can do, and that's what I'm trying. So I'm gonna keep trying this. Did catch a couple small walleyes already on it, had a couple other strikes, but yeah, modify and adjust. There's one. All right, what do I got here? Baby walleye. Not what I'm looking for. Not what I'm looking for. Get in your hole. And goodbye, sir. There's one. Feels like a better fish. Oh yeah. A little better fish. Not gonna make the cut though. Careful, careful, careful. Don't get in those gills. Yeah, he's not gonna make 13. Back in the hole. There's a good one. Oh yeah. He thumped it. Thumped it. Oh. He swallowed that hole. He ain't gonna be big enough. But that is, he thumped that thing. God damn. Look at that. That's a little better. Alright guys, getting a few better fish. Maybe he's 12 inches. I'm gonna let him go right away. But what I did, I actually switched to a small rattling bait. That's actually the second fish I got on that. First one I didn't get on there, but on camera, but I switched to smaller just to see if I get more of a reactionary bite, and that's 2 fish so far that I've actually caught that in probably in the last 5 minutes. So sometimes these rattling baits just kill it out here, and I did good last time, and so far doing good again. I changed from that buckshot that I had earlier, and he actually thumped that thing. Let's see if we can get it again. This does have oh, there's another one. There's another one. I'll be a son of a gun. Another, probably not keeper. Ooh. Oh my goodness! Look at that! Holy smokes! That is an absolute thumper of a perch, man. That makes number 3, but look at that giant. Holy smokes, I gotta get back down there. And he thumped that thing too. Again, no bait. No bait on that. Just a thumper of a perch. That's a giant. Get back after it. I am letting it hit the bottom from time to time, not every time, but I am letting it hit the bottom and bringing it up. It's kind of funny, I'm just not getting them on the dead stick. I did change the dead stick up a little bit. I added some beads to the line and did some things like that, but I did not expect to get that pig. Got another one right on it. Another walleye. Get that back down there as fast as I possibly can. Again, I am not picking up the fish on the jig and wrap. Just not doing it. One here or there, you know. But this small rattling lure just has, oh, missed one there. Just has them going. You know, sometimes that's all it takes. Just a quick switch from a certain size lure, and it's either the fall or something of that nature. And everything changes. I'm still shaking from that big perch. Probably don't talk about it enough, but I like fishing the river for a number of different reasons. Yes, the bay is good, and I've been out in the bay a lot of times. But the reason I like the river is when you can get out here, I should say, is you can really get multi-species. And not that you can't out in the bay. I've had some really good days where I get perch and walleye, occasional pike. But for some reason the river, when I do get perch, usually they're giants, and I absolutely love it. There's one. Smoked it. Another small walleye. Goodbye, sir. Little baby. Man, that's all I'm getting right now, unfortunately. Oh yeah, another one. Nice. Not as big as the other ones, but he's going in my bucket. Got him. Got that one. Ooh, that's a better walleye. That is a better walleye right there. Oh yeah. I still don't think he's gonna make the cut. Not gonna make the cut. Nope. Ready for release. Got him. What is he? Another eye. Not a giant, not a tiny one. Man, they're just bumping it. Not really hitting very good. Got him. Another one right in a row. What do I got here? What do I got? Oh yeah, look at that. Oh man. Oh yeah. Another jumbo. Got him. Oh. Cannot get that out. Look at that. Perch number 5. That's a nice one. Super happy about that. I need to get back down there fairly quick. Every now and then you get a few. And I've been struggling today. It wasn't like the other day where I got quite a few in a short period of time, at least perch. And now I'm, like I said, I'm struggling a little bit, but hey, that's fishing, right? That is what it's all about. And looks like I got another bite on my dead stick here. Hear that? It's the minnow messing around down there. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, got him. Got him. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh yeah, look at that. Oh man. Look at that. Yes. I'm gonna get back down there fairly quick. Alright, first and foremost, please subscribe to our channel. we have a lot of fun doing this, and we have a lot of fun putting content out there for you guys to watch. So please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. We truly appreciate it. I did pretty good today in regards to getting myself some dinner. So some big slob perch, some nice big perch. Only got about 8 or 9 today. Not as good as the other day, got over a dozen. But I still had a lot of fun, and that's what it's all about, is getting out in the outdoors, in God's country, and having a lot of fun. And that's what we did today. I was all by myself today, but I still had a lot of fun. I did talk to myself a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. Like I said again, please subscribe, and you guys all have a blessed day.